everyone and welcome to another phonics session. Now, let me tell you a little story about the sound that we are learning today. Oh, this looks interesting. We've got a dad, two children and a dog, and it looks like they're in a bit of a hurry. They've got very worried faces because all of this smoke and the orange means that there's a fire. Aya, fire, fire. Aya, fire, fire. Aya, fire, fire. Brilliant, well done everybody. Now it's time for our friend Fred Frog to read us some of the words containing the aya sound. Okay, listening carefully, and when you know what the word is, make sure you shout it out. Aya, aya, fire, brilliant. Aya, aya, higher. Oh, let's make it a little bit more tricky. Oh, for this one, Fred's told me to tell you the first part of the word and then tell you the second part of the word. Then we will put them together at the end. B-o-n, b-o-n, bon. F-aya, f-aya, fire. Let's put them together. Bon, fire, bon, fire. Bonfire, brilliant, excellent. Let's try another one of those. K-o-n, 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 con, super. Listen to the next part of the word. Sp-aya, sp-aya, spire. K-o-n, con, sp-aya, spire. Conspire, conspire. There's another one of those words. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the sound. Remember, it's aya, fire, fire. Okay, so our sound today is not a digraph. It's got three sounds that make one word. It's got the I, it sound, the sound, and the sound, and all together they make the aya sound. It's a trigraph, three letters, one sound. Aya, aya. Brilliant. Okay, let's play the game. When you see this side, you say aya, fire, fire. And when you say this, see this side, you say aya. Are you ready? Excellent. Super, well done everybody. Okay then, let's read some words containing the aya sound. Are you ready? Here we go. Special friends, Fred talk. Read the word. My turn first. Special friends. Aya. Fred talk. Aya. Read the word. Fire. Brilliant. Now it's your turn. Special friends. Aya. Fred talk. Aya. Read the word. Wire. Super. Next one. Special friends, aya. Fred talk, aya. Read the word, higher. Excellent. Another one. Are you ready? Magnetize. Special friends, aya. Fred talk, aya. Read the word, fire. Brilliant. Now, these words I'm going to fold over. And what we're going to do is we're going to sound out the first part of the word first, and then we are going to sound out the next part of the word as well, because Then we can put them together and they will become easier for us to read. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So the first one, the first part is, let's Fred talk it. Are there any special friends first of all? No. Fred talk. In. And let's see the next part. Any special friends? Aya. Fred talk. Sp. Aya. Sp. Aya. Spire. In. Spire. Inspire. Excellent. Well done. Let's have another go at working like that. It's a bit different, isn't it? Let's have a look at this one. Are you ready? Let's sound out the first part of the word first and the second part next. Remember, special friends, Fred talk, read the word. Okay, special friends in here. Fred talk, b, o, n, bon. Let's turn it around. Special friends, aya. Fred talk, aya, aya, fire. So we have bon and we have fire. Bon, fire, bon, fire. Let's put it together and read the word bonfire. Brilliant. Excellent. You're getting really good at this. Let's go to the final word. Are you ready? Here we go. K. Any special friends first of all? Let's read it. K, o, n. K, o, n. Con. Let's turn it around. Special friends. Aya. Fred talk. Sp. Aya. Sp. Aya. Spire. Ooh. Con. Spire. Con. Spire. Let's put it all back together and read. Conspire. You are getting so good at reading longer words. Excellent work. Okay, everybody's favourite part. Switch on your aliens. Whoop. And let's read some alien words. Special friends. Aya. Fred talk. St. Aya. Stire. Brilliant. Let's go for the next one. Special friends. Aya. Fred talk. Z. Aya. Zaya. Okay, are we ready? Special friends. Aya. Fred talk. K. Aya. Read the word. Clier. Okay, special friends. Aya. Fred talk. B. Aya. Buyer. Are we ready? Special friends. Aya. Fred talk. B. Aya. Blyer. Last one. Special friends. Aya. Fred talk. J. Aya. Read the word. Jaya. Brilliant. Well done, everybody. I think you are getting super good at recognising the aya sound. Remember, aya, fire, fire. Okay, let's do some speedy sounds. We've put aya into our pack and let's do super speedy sounding. Here we go. Remember, when you see aya, point to it. Brilliant. Well spotted. Brilliant. Super speedy sounding, everybody. That was excellent. Okay then, let's move on and get ready to write. Okay, so what you need is you need your whiteboard or your paper and a pen or a whiteboard pen or a pencil for that matter. So what we're going to do first of all, like we do in every phonics lesson, I would like you to write the sound first of all. And the sound we were learning today is aya, fire, fire. Remember, it's a trigraph. It's got 3 letters that make that one sound. An I, a and an E. Write it. Brilliant. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you some words to write down, okay? First of all, I would like you to write the sound fire. Let's think about how many sounds are in fire. There are 2. Fire, fire. Write it. Ooh, let's have a look. Let's make it a little bit more difficult, shall we? This time, I want you to write the word spire, okay? Are you ready? Spire. Ooh, there are 3 sounds. Let's pinch them. Spire, spire. Okay, now I'm going to really challenge you here. I would like you to try to write one of our longer words. I want you to have a go at writing inspire. Okay, so inspire. Let's see if you can write that now. Remember, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sounds. Let's pinch them. I, n, s, p, ire. I, n, in, s, p, ire. Spire. Inspire. Off you go. Brilliant. And one more. Okay, are you ready? We're going to write the word bonfire. Okay? Now, again, there are 5 sounds. Let's pinch those sounds. Now, are you ready? B, o, n, bon, fire, fire. B, o, n, fire, bonfire. Write it. Okay, let's have a go at tick or fix. Okay, the first word that I gave you was the word fire. So for this, we need 2 sounds. We need the sound and ire. Oh yeah, tick it if you've got the same as me. Okay? Or you can fix it if you need to as well. Let's go for our next word, which was the word spire. Ooh, spire. So 3 sounds this time. The first sound is a s. Next one is a p. Ire. Sp. Ire. Give yourself 3 ticks if you've got the same as me. Okay, let's move on to our longer words now. Remember, the first one was inspire. Ooh, now we could use this to help us. Let's write the word inspire. I, n is our first part, and there are no special friends in those 2. I, n. Now we don't leave a finger space because it's all one word together. In, ire. Brilliant. If you've got the same as me, make sure you give yourself 5 ticks because there are 5 sounds. And one last one, let Miss Thompson write your final word. Check it against mine to see if you're correct. Bonfire. Ooh, bon, b. Remember which way your b goes. B, o, n. B, o, n. No special friends for that part. Bon, ire, ire. Amazing! Give yourself 5 ticks if you've got the same as me with the word bonfire. Well done, everybody. That was great phonics today, and you've all worked incredibly hard. I'll see you soon for another phonics. Bye!